This is my demonstration of man-made Mazuku, right? So we've got a candle flame in that jar, and then I make a Mazuku. Mazuku is a African word for bad air, right? And there's blowers coming in here, so I always sort of cover that up so the carbon dioxide stays down in there. So this is baking soda and vinegar, a classic favorite, right? And I talked through the kids. They act like they don't know chemistry, right? So it's like, okay, air is mostly nitrogen. What's the molecular mass? Well, eventually they'll arrive at 28 grams per mole, roughly, right? If it's mostly nitrogen. And then carbon dioxide, is that bigger or smaller? Well, it's 44, right? It's a lot more. So carbon dioxide will tend to stay low on the ground, and that's what happens in Africa. Apparently, volcanic processes make carbon dioxide come out of the ground, and it will accumulate in these low areas and kill people if they walk into them, or animals or whatever, right? So then the thing is, I always love this. I just pour the carbon dioxide on there. It just snuffs the flame. I haven't poured any of the liquid on there. I'm just simply pouring the carbon dioxide out of there. It pours. You can't see it. It's an odorless, colorless gas. You can't see it, but it definitely is more dense. It pours just like water out of the flask. And then I show them. There's a great video if you just YouTube Mazuku, M-A-Z-U-K-U. You can show them that. I mean, it's kind of a sad video because some little kid dies, but and there's lots of really cool videos if you want to dive into Mazukus. People have died, hundreds of people have died near lakes in Africa when the lake bubbles up a lot of carbon dioxide, right? Anyway.